The coupe at the lot, told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Buzzing all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn field. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga, so got the cash out. Told him wipe a nigga.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Monster Attitude, aka Henry. So today I'll be doing something different. Actually, this is gonna be like a hair product slash wave review. You know what I'm saying? So today I'll be doing something most people have been doing in the wave community. You know, something with the hair conditioner, like washing your scalp and all that stuff. But this is gonna be something different. I've been waving for like a few months now. I want to say 5 months. So if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Give me tips and tricks on what to do to make my waves better. So don't judge me, because I'm starting to wolf my hair and let my hair, like, just waves, just do its thing and just see how that comes out. But if anything, if it doesn't come out, you know, I'll be like, I'll toss the idea to the trash. But for now, I'm gonna do this. Me doing this is just to learn something different, you know, try something different, because I've never done this before. So if you guys are watching this video and you feel like I'm not doing it right, just make sure you let me know down in the comment. And before you do that, just make sure you like, subscribe, and share this to your people if you like the result. Just stay tuned. I'll be giving you guys a 360 review real quick before anything. All right. What's up, YouTube? So I'm back in my bathroom. You feel me? So I'm gonna be giving you guys a 360 review of my waves so far and my wave journey so far. You know, like I told you, it's been 5 months I've been waving my hair, and you know, some people waves are better than other people. So I'm still in the learning process at this point. So without further ado, let me show you guys and give you guys a quick wave review. You know what I'm saying? A little shy in this, but it is what it is, man. So you all ready? See that? I'm trying to work on my crown so far, and damn, I need a lineup, man. This shit looking like some Superman V-shaped shit, but it is what it is. Like I said, the criticism is good. You can put it down in the comment. But so far, I think my waves are doing good. Out of a 10, I'll give my waves an 8. For me, I'll give it an 8. So if you guys want to rate my waves, you know what I'm saying? 1 out of 10, 10 being, you know, wolfing and shit, or like, you know, connecting and shit. Because I know I got some forks going on right here. Maybe I do, probably at the back. I'm not sure, but it is what it is. Like I said, I'm still in the process. So today, the product actually I'll be using is it's a leave-in hair conditioner. It's a hemp, actually, leave-in hair conditioner. My mom gave this to me. She was like, go try this out or whatever. But I'll be using this because honestly, that's the only conditioner in my house right now. But, and I'll be using a hard brush and a soft brush. 2 different brush. And also, I'm gonna try, here's my comb. I'm gonna try use a comb. After I put that in, I'm gonna comb it and use the hard brush and finish off with the soft brush. So you guys stay tuned, check the process out and see how you like it, okay? So I finally found my comb, but let's get on with the process. You know, this might take a minute, who knows, you know what I'm saying? But technically, I'm gonna put this on just like that.
Just leave it like that. I don't got the extra mirror like niggas be using to check. You know, you need to have 2 mirrors when you're using 2 mirrors, I guess. Well, I don't think that's necessary for every process, but I know it's needed. Because you need 2 mirrors. You need 1 small mirror to check, you know, to check your crown and see, you know, check your waving patterns and all that. Well, I don't think it's a big deal right now, because obviously, I don't think my brushing pattern is bad so far. It's just, I just need to figure out a way to fix my crown so it can spin. Oh, I'm gonna put a lot. That's crazy. Oh, honestly, I think this is enough. I think this is enough so far. think this is enough. Any more I put on it, it's just gonna fuck it up. Like I said, I've seen someone do something like this. I've seen someone do something like this in this Facebook group I have. So, no, I have what I'm part of. It's a Facebook group. It's a Wave 360 Wave something on Facebook, a group. So I see someone do this. Actually, two people do. So I just feel like it doesn't hurt to try. Like I don't see any like harm to it. But at the same time, I just
hope I don't mess this up. I'm a little bit nervous, I won't lie. You know what I'm saying? I'm a little bit nervous. Ooh. Ooh, I just made a mess. I have some right there. That's crazy. So real quick, I'll be using the hard brush. Just brush it out real quick. You know what I'm saying? This is how I normally just do my crown so far. I just pull a little one finger right there and just brush around it. So at least I maintain the consistency of the spin. So far it's not looking bad. The results are not bad. Ooh. I could feel this hard brush on my scalp, just dragging my scalp crazy right now, no cap. No pain, no gain. That's what they say, right? It is what it is. Let me work on my crown so I don't mess it up. Okay. A quick hard brush. You know what I'm saying? Not bad. Then I'm gonna finish up with the soft, really soft brush. You know what I'm saying? Really soft brush. And after this, I'm gonna put the durag back on. Let the hair sit for like, a minute. Probably 5 to 10 minutes, honestly. That's how I feel like it. Max 15. Hopefully I don't forget it. I know I won't. But I'm gonna just do this. I'm gonna let this sit. I just put this on. I'm gonna let this. Put this on. And just let it sit. So when I wash it off, when I rinse it off, I'll rinse it off with the do-rags on. And I notice most people tie the do-rags differently. Everybody have their own way they do theirs. So I have my own special way I tie mine that works for me. And it's been working great so far for me. And I'm not, you know, if you guys have any other video link or ideas of on how to tie do-rag, just let me know. But so far, this is how I do mine. And that's been working for me since day one. I've tried separate methods. I've done like a few methods, but I noticed this one works best for me. So, like I said, you guys can comment you guys can comment below and let me know which one works better. See, snug and tight. So I normally do this. I do a knot on the back. Because I really don't like the do-rag like all up on my back. Is like, it bothers me. I don't know, it just bothers me sometimes. Well, you all just stay tuned and check out the process, you feel me? Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you guys the final result. Up to you guys to rate this. I don't even know what it looks like so far. I just rinsed it off and also took the chance to take a shower while I did that. So, ready? Drum roll. Oof, oof. Oh, I see got soap right here. But make sure you have the crown. So this is what it's looking like so far. So I'm gonna use my wave cream. I actually use the sporting waves after that, and just so I can lay the hair down properly at this point. So honestly, I use this much. I won't lie. I use a lot. So just do that. Boom, boom. And boom, that's it, guys. So if you guys like this video, like I said, subscribe, like, and comment also in the comment section below, and let me know what y'all think about this video. But today, gang, be on my